Are you a Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, XD, Figma, Figma, After Effects, Affinity Photo user? Mention them. Are you into coding and all, and then you want to make your stuff to be faster? You want to operate your softwares very fast and very sweet and very quickly. I think this website is for you. This website contains all the shortcuts to make your design process, your coding process, whatever tools you're using, to make it easy and fast and smooth.